Hi, my name is DK and today I'd like to present to you the 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 185mm compound miter saw, the R185CMS-Li. There's also a soft start on the saw, which helps to prolong motor life. I should direct your attention to the polycarbonate blade guard. This is a new design which gives full visibility of the cutting line when in operation. There's mounting holes on the left and the right of the base. This gives the option to mount the saw to a bench or even to use it on a miter saw stand. The horizontal handle design allows for comfortable use. It's been designed with a soft grip handle and also features a safety trigger which must be engaged to activate the saw. Onboard tool storage in the form of this handy Allen key can be found here.